Hey there, conquering the world of Medium, a fantastic platform to share your voice and connect with readers. Let's get started in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Sign up and explore. Head over to medium.com and create a free account. It's that easy. Once you're in, explore what others are writing. Find topics that interest you and get inspired. Step 2. Craft your profile. Now let your personality shine. Upload a profile picture, write a short bio about yourself and your writing passion. This is your first impression, so make it count. Step 3. Hit New Story. Feeling ready? Click the New Story button and unleash your creativity. Medium's editor is user-friendly, so focus on your amazing content. Step 4. Choose your audience. Medium has tons of publications, communities focused on specific topics. Find some that match your writing style and consider submitting your work. This expands your reach. Step 5. Publish and share. Once your masterpiece is polished, hit publish. Don't be shy. Share your story on social media and with friends. The more readers, the merrier. And that's it. You're officially a Medium writer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep writing, keep sharing, and your voice will be heard. Happy writing. What will your first story be about? Share your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative writing tips.